again, Pherl Hobby. Welcome to my channel again. And welcome to Pherl TV, okay? So for this afternoon video, I'm going to make my very first kamote cube. First, this 2021. I don't know if when is the last time I ate and when is the last time I cooked kamote cube, okay? So, na-convince ako ni Ate Aida bumili nito. Kasi she's selling from time to time fruits and vegetables from Batangas, okay? So, this afternoon, ito kalahating kilo. This cost 25 pesos. So, sabi niya the kamote is masarap talaga. Sweet potato. We call this sweet potato, okay? Masarap daw talaga. So, sige, sabi ko, sige, I'm gonna buy. And I will be making this as kamote cube, okay? So, guys, you're seeing me right now without any makeup on my face. This is me. Okay, so let's start the cooking tutorial. Please stay, and if this is your first time here in my channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get updated whenever I posted up a new vlog. So ayun guys, first step, I gonna peel up the potato, sweet potato, okay? Fill up, okay, using this, ayan. Fill up natin guys, ha. Yun. So, ayun guys, painitin na natin ang kaldero. Ayan, kawali. Kapag mainit na siya guys, lagay na natin. Ayan. So, yun na guys. Luto ng ating kamote cube. Tara na. Ayun. Hindi naman. So, let's eat a yummy, yummy kamote cube. Yung kamote na yan guys, kulay orange siya. Napakasarap na klase ng kamote. Hindi siya white. Special kamote cube guys, no? Okay? So, ayun. Nilagyan ko siya ng tissue para yung oil niya doon. Hindi, So, guys, pag may time. Okay, ayan o. Kape-kape pag may time. Kakaluto lang ni Ma'am Shi, kamote cube. Love to give a like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get updated whenever I posted up a new vlog. Bye-bye! Mamaya, di ba?
Ng chicken gun.
Chicken gun. Sige na.
Meron kasing ako kasi binayad na glasses na half.
Oh, heart.
Kasi ang pangalan ko si XD James.
Sabihan mo si kids, kumain kayo ng kamote ko kasi masustansya. Rich in fiber, good for a healthy digestion, di ba nak? Good for the healthy digestion. Kulay orange yan guys, na kamote. Ang sarap nga niya ni kulay orange. Sa labas na tutulong sa kwarto. Hindi ko mag-gets eh. Sa labas pero sa kwarto, ano kaya yun?
Matutulog.